Alright guys, time for another adventure. Today I'm gonna do the ultimate Western Ghats waterfall route. I've got a cold, so you will hear me sniffing basically the whole time. I'm gonna say goodbye to my friend over here. Hey Poopy. I think she doesn't recognize me with the glasses. Hey, yesterday you were my friend. No goodbye. Yesterday we were like best friends, and now she's like, leave me alone. Okay guys, 5 minutes in and the first problem has already presented itself. There is no gasoline in this town. I hope I will find a gas station on the way because I have a very long trip. Problem number 2. Basically, I've been looking for tissues for about 30 minutes to clean my nose, but nobody seems to sell tissues. You know guys, it's so funny to see the faces of basically everyone who sees me passing by, because apparently I'm the only foreigner to come to this place. But look at this, I don't want to miss this. What do you guys think? Can I go through? I'm gonna leave the bike right here, guys. Look at how steep that road is. I don't want to get stuck. Imagine getting stuck in this area with nobody to help you. You can't drive fast anyway, so you may as well walk or run. We have arrived, but it looks totally abandoned. This is perfect, guys. I can charge my phone in nature. I was afraid I was not gonna make it with one full battery. The question now is, where is the actual waterfall? The dogs are sounding more aggressive. I hope they don't get released or anything. Yeah, as you can already see, guys, there's not much water. Almost no water at all. No swimming allowed. Look at this random tree or bush. Once again, welcome to India. Okay guys, time to drive back and further ahead. Guys, check this out. Another gang. Look at the birds watching over them. I'm even more scared than yesterday because I clearly saw a sign of crossing animals, and there was a tiger on it, a jaguar or a leopard. My heart is really pounding like crazy, guys. This is so scary. Actually, it looks like a plantation, guys. Like a private area. Ja, schatje. Ik denk dat ik ergens anders moet zijn. Okay guys, the good news is that I've met a local who told me there are no tigers active at the moment. I already feel much more comfortable talking to that man. At least I'm not the first one who gets eaten if there's a tiger nearby. I think I can hear it. This can be it, right? It was a long way down. So it's gonna take at least 45 minutes to go back up to the motorbike. And from there, I think it's gonna take 30 minutes to get back to the main road, so I may have a problem tonight. Wow, look at this. Yeah. I didn't expect a big one, to be honest. Can you imagine during monsoon? Look at this drop. India, India! What a view, guys. You know, normally I would climb up to the top, but because the view is already so amazing, I'm not gonna do anything stupid. I wish I could refresh myself though. I don't trust this pool. Nah, not a good idea. Let's go back. Okay guys, I'm about halfway on the way to the motorbike. And I feel pretty secure, I have to say. It's like I've secured my territory. Man, this tree is insane. Just the roots are at least 15 meters, 20 meters. We have made it. No tigers, no jaguars. I do wish I saw a snake, but I don't understand where they are. Imagine there must be thousands, maybe millions of snakes, crazy insects, animals, but you don't see them. Maybe that's good. We have made it, guys. We are back at the main road. Okay guys, we have arrived at the Unchalli Falls. It was quite a comfortable ride to this place actually. The roads were pretty good. And now we have to hike for about 500 meters. Looks like we have arrived at the resting spot. Check this out. Look at this. Wow. I wish you could see it in real size. Once again, imagine this one during monsoon. There's even a better platform down there. There's another balcony, but we're gonna go straight to the best platform over there. It's like watching a TV screen, a big size TV screen. Check this out. Seriously guys, I wish you could see the real size of it. Also has a beautiful river, kind of greenish color. Look at this. And I'm filming in a wide field of view. Okay guys, the plan was to continue to the Jog Falls, but I think I'm gonna find myself a place somewhere around here. There should be a small village not too far from here. So I'm gonna enjoy a little bit. See you tomorrow. Ciao ciao.